This AI builds your website for you. No coding, no design, no stress. Hello guys, welcome back to Stacks Review. In this video, we are talking about a new tool called Webira. Webira is an AI website builder, and today I will show you what it does, how it helps you, and if it is right for you or not. I will also show you my custom bonuses which you get from me if you buy Webira through my link. So if you are thinking about making a website without stress, this video is for you. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever created a website but you stopped because it feels too hard, like you need design, you need pages, you need tools, you need hosting, and then you feel confused. You may think, where do I even start? And even if you make a website, you still don't know how to make it useful for you. No traffic, no leads, no sales. So you feel stuck. And this is why tools like Webira are getting attention right now. So what does Webira actually do for you? In simple words, Webira uses AI to help you create a full website. You don't start from a blank. You just give some basic details and the AI creates pages for you, like a home page, about page, contact page, and more. So instead of building everything by yourself, AI does the main work for you. This saves your time and also saves your headache. Now let's look at how this helps you in real life. Let's talk about the feature. The first feature is AI website creation. This means you don't need to design anything. You don't need to think about layout. You just answer some questions and AI builds the site for you. This helps you because you can start fast, no learning long design skills. The next feature is ready-made pages. Webira creates pages that already look clean, so you don't start from zero. This helps you because your site look professional from day one. You don't feel embarrassed to share your link. The next feature is content help. AI also helps with text for your website, like headings and small descriptions. This helps you because you don't have to write everything yourself. So no more thinking, what should I write here? The next feature, fast setup. You don't need many tools, everything is in one place. This helps you because you don't jump between different websites. You stay focused and you move faster. The next feature is you can edit later. After AI builds your site, you can still change things. You can edit text, you can change sections. This helps you because you are not stuck with only one version. You can improve step by step. So overall, Webira is made to remove the hard part of the website building for you. Now let me show you exactly how the Webira works. So this is the dashboard of Webira. First you just click the create new website button on the dashboard. Then this project details page opens. This is where you enter your website name and a short description of your business. After entering your info and selecting your language, you click next. Webira then start processing and creates a complete website for you. You see a list of all created pages like home, about us, and services, which you can edit or keep as they are. You can also add new pages if you want. Once you are happy with the page list, you click next. The system now shows you options for the AI engines you want to use. Here you select which specific AI will handle the coding and which one will generate your images. You can use anyone from the list for the coding and images. You can also change it later when you want. With your AI preferences set, you click next again. Now the branding screen appears where you can upload your own logo. Just click upload logo and choose your file from your computer. As soon as the file upload, Webira analyzes the image and it automatically generates a website color theme that matches your logo perfectly. You can regenerate this if you want, or you simply click proceed to let the AI start creating your website. That's it. Now your work is done. Within a few minutes, your website will be ready. So in this demo, how Webira takes a simple description and turns it into a fully planned, branded website structure in just a few steps. This is very useful for anyone who needs a professional site setup without doing any manual design work. Now talk about bonuses. So if you buy Webira through my link, you will also get these exclusive bonuses from me. These are made to help you use Webira easily and fast. Bonus number 1, Webira Quick Launch Checklist. This is a simple step-by-step checklist. It helps you move from I bought Webira to my first website is live. So you don't feel lost, you just follow the step. This is very helpful if you want clear direction. Bonus number 2, 7-day Webira Profit Plan. This is a simple 7-day action plan. It shows you what to do each day after your website is ready. So you can turn your website into a basic profit machine. This helps you because you don't waste time thinking what to do next. Bonus number 3 is AI Website Conversion Boost Sheet. This bonus gives you easy rules. These rules help you improve your website so more visitor becomes leads and sales, and you don't need advanced marketing skills. This helps you because small changes can make a big difference. Bonus number 4, Webira Traffic and Promo Script Pack. This bonus gives you ready-made script. You can use them for videos, shorts, reels and messages to promote Webira and also your bonuses. This helps you because you don't need to write everything yourself. You just use the script and start. Bonus number 5 is 40 power prompts for Webira. This bonus gives you copy paste prompts. You can use them with Webira and also with other AI tools to build better website, better content and better pages. This helps you because you get better result from AI faster. You will also get all the bonus given by the product creator. These will inside your dashboard. So you will get my bonuses plus vendor bonuses together. When you buy Webira through my link, which you get in description and pinned comment. So these bonuses are made to help you not just buy the tool but actually use it. So why you should buy this? If you want to create a website fast, if you don't like technical work, if you want AI to help you start, and if you are ready to take action. When you should not buy, if you don't want to do anything after buying, if you expect instant result without effort, then this tool will not help you. My honest advice, if your main problem is website setup and design stress, Webira can really help you. So now it's your turn. If you want to check Webira, click the link in description. Also check the pinned comment. You can see the current price and available discount. And remember, you will also get all my bonuses with your purchase. So go ahead and check it out. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next review video.